Now, hello everyone. Now, discuss the topic of data and information. Let's discuss what is the data. The definition of data. Data refers to the raw, uncompressed fact and figures. These are individual piece of information that don't carry any specific meaning on their own. Okay, data need to be processed and organized to become meaningful. So the data is a raw or uncompressed fact figure. These are individual piece of any information. These are individual piece of any information. If the data need to be processed or organized to be a meaningful, so this is the data. Next, the characteristics of data. So the some characteristics of data. First characteristics of data is a raw or unorganized. Second, often appear in number, text, and symbols. Not immediately useful unless analyzed. So these are some characteristics of data. Example of data: a list of temperature 25 degrees Celsius, 30 degrees Celsius, 28 degrees Celsius, and 35 degrees Celsius. Uh, Next, names John, Sarah, and Ali. Scores 85, 19, 78, and 90. This is an example of data. Next, what is the information? Information is the data that has been processed, organized, or structured to provide a meaning. So the information is a data. This is a has been processed, organized, or structured to provide a meanings. It is useful for decision and understanding situations. Information gives the context to data, making it easier to interrupt upon and act. Characteristics of information. So these are characteristics of information: organized and meaningful, directly useful for solving the problem, help in making informed decision. Example of information: the average temperature this week is 29 degrees Celsius. So this is an example of information. This information gives the message for like average temperature for this week is 29 degrees Celsius. Now second example, John scored is 19 in the math test and he is a top scorer. So this is the information for regarding to John has scored 19 in math test and he is a top scorer, right? So this is the information. Third example, the sales increased by 20 degrees Celsius increased by 20% compared to last month. So this is the information. The sales is increased by 20% compared to last month. So this is a growth of sales. So the decision is easy way to decide if the sales is a grow, yeah, improves, okay, as compared to last month. So this is the information. Now, difference between data and information. So the some features, data and information, differences, definition, raw fact and figure. Data is a raw facts and figures. Information, processed and meaningful data. Instead, unorganized and raw information, organized and structured data. On the usefulness, no data not directly useful because this is a raw information, directly useful for decision making because this is a meaningful and structured format. Example: 120, 140, 160. This is a raw numbers. The average weight is 140 kg. So this is a information as a meaningful information. Purpose: needs the processing to gain insights. The purpose of information: provide insight for actions. Importance of data: act as the foundation for creating the information, helps in storing the facts for future analysis, used for research, analysis, and statistical purpose. Example: a company collects the sales data to track the performance. So this is the information importance of data. Importance of information: provide the meaning to data, making it useful for decision making, helps organization plan the strategies and take action. Example, a company uses the sales data to identify its best selling product and improve its marketing. So the information is a company will be improve, yeah, best selling product will be identified, decide and identify our information and improve the marketing. This is the importance of information. How data become information? So collection data is gathered from various sources, example surveys and experiments. Processing data is organized, sorted or calculated, example finding the average, creating graphs. Presentation, the results are displayed in meaningful format, example charts, table or summaries. Conclusion, data and information are closely related but distinct concepts. Data is the raw materials while information is the finished product that carries meaning and helps in decision making. Understanding these differences is essential for studying, working, and making informed decisions in everyday life. Thank you.